Looking for reliable Neutrik Speon compatible connectors that won't break the bank? GLS Audio offers a high-quality solution designed for both professionals and enthusiasts who demand durability and performance without the premium price tag. These connectors feature an easy screw-in set pin design and built-in stress relief for 10 to 16 gauge AWG cables, ensuring a secure and lasting connection every time. What sets GLS Audio apart is not just the product itself but the experience behind it. As a family-owned company with over 28 years in the industry, they understand the importance of quality and customer care. Their 4-pack bundle offers great value, perfect for anyone needing multiple connectors while saving money. Top reviews from the United States highlight the consistent performance and affordability that GLS delivers. I personally ran into a rare issue where one connector had a factory defect, a melted clamp on the heavy wire section. Instead of causing frustration, this became a testament to GLS's commitment to customer satisfaction. I reached out through Amazon's seller option without asking for a replacement, just to inform them. Within 48 hours, the GLS owner contacted me directly, apologized, and offered to send a new set free of charge. That level of service is rare and impressive. This experience confirmed that GLS Audio isn't just about selling products, they stand behind what they offer. The connectors worked perfectly despite the clamp issue, and the swift, personal response reinforced my trust in their brand. For anyone in the audio or event production industry, knowing your gear is backed by such attentive support truly matters. The design itself is straightforward but effective. The screw-in pins make installation quick and hassle-free, while the stress relief system protects your cables from wear and tear, extending their lifespan. Whether you're upgrading your setup or replacing old connectors, GLS provides a solution that balances quality and cost efficiency. If you're weighing options for Speon-compatible connectors, this 4-pack from GLS Audio is worth a look. It combines solid build quality, dependable performance, and a price that respects your budget. Plus, the family-owned company's dedication to customer care adds peace of mind you don't get with many brands. Ready to upgrade your audio connections with confidence? Try GLS Audio's Neutrik Speon compatible connectors when you're ready. They deliver what you need: durability, ease of use, and excellent customer support, all wrapped in a package that won't stretch your wallet. Choosing GLS Audio means choosing a product backed by decades of industry experience and genuine care. That's why so many professionals trust them, and why you can too. Make the switch today and experience the difference in quality and service firsthand.